Design Miami has moved this year from the Design District to be even closer to Art Basel, so they're directly adjacent. Inside there's a whole series of galleries from all over the world showcasing their limited edition designs, and there's also 2 satellite shows, one sponsored by Fendi and one sponsored by Swarovski. So Constantine, it's so exciting to see all these great people swinging in your design. Is this how you imagined it?
It is how I imagine it, but you can still never really imagine it. You know, the funny thing is they swing a lot more than we thought.
I know, I tried before and my legs got caught underneath. You're designer of the year this year. It's been a great journey. What have been like some of your highlights in your career thus far?
I don't know, in retrospect, we tend to speak about the finished pieces, and there's something like Mayday Lamb, which is really, it was a key product. But then there's another perspective, and that is really the moments, and the moments are moments of working with particular people that are interesting. I mean, the work in the end, it's the process of working on something, and the steps you take, or what makes the process, are very small little decisions, little actions, and therefore they're never spectacular. I mean, design is not the kind of the light bulb that suddenly...
We wish it was.
We wish it, yeah, sometimes I wish it was. But actually, it's quite nice that there's something very slow about it, a kind of a very empirical process, and so I think if I was to recall those kind of the really important moments for me, it's the kind of small situations where things happened, a decision that just. Yeah.
Speaks a piece like this, like Netscape. It's really great. Congratulations and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you. Thanks.
So Ben, what a journey from the Venice Biennale to here in Design Miami. All these beautiful sort of deconstructed pieces and then the fashion works. How did this project come to life?
It first came to life at the Venice Biennale. Fendi supported our installation there. It was part of the show People Meet in Architecture. We decided after Venice that we wanted to, with Fendi, collaborate on some pieces together. And so these pieces here, these 2 with the fur on them, are really our attempts at combining basically Fendi's design process with ours. And so we have what some might consider like a very technical approach to how we build and fabricate.
And it almost looks quite hands-on as well, that kind of develops as you go.
In the end, it has like a very kind of noisy quality, almost like sort of like a mineral or something, but it's highly sort of rationalized, and it works. It's structural, because it has some thought behind it.
There's method in your madness.
There's some method there. And then Fendi also, what was remarkable to us is they have this really intimate knowledge of materials and craftsmanship, and an innovation in design that's actually equally as playful, like using their legacy of craft. So then we also collaborate with Fendi to develop these 2D patterns and work with this special fabric that's called a washi fabric. It's like a Japanese fabric.
It's quite stiff in texture compared to...
Paper-based, yeah, and it has all these sort of health qualities associated with it. It's a very interesting fabric, and then use it as a lining in one of Fendi's signature bags, the Peekaboo bag.
It's absolutely fabulous. I hope you enjoy the rest of Design Miami. It'll be a big week, a fun week.
Thank you.
Thanks.